Hey there, fellow wanderlusters. Welcome back to another exciting adventure on our channel, Travel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Europe, a country that's like a dream straight out of a fairy tale, Switzerland. Hey, get ready to witness the jaw-dropping beauty of the most beautiful places to visit in Switzerland. From charming villages nestled in the Alps to pristine lakes and majestic mountains, Switzerland has it all. So, grab your virtual passport and let's start this captivating journey together. Number 1. Swiss Alps. Where dreams reach new heights. Rolling in the majestic mountains. Alright, folks, let's kick off our Swiss escapade with none other than the iconic Swiss Alps. Oh, brace yourselves as we journey through this stunning natural wonderland. From the lush green meadows in summer to the glistening snow-covered slopes in winter, the Swiss Alps are a year-round treat for the eyes. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or just looking for some breathtaking views, the Swiss Alps have got you covered. Number 2. Lucerne. The enchanting lakeside gem. Charming canals and alpine magic. Next stop, Lucerne. This picturesque lakeside city is nothing short of enchanting. With its charming canals, cobblestone streets, and medieval architecture, Lucerne is like something out of a storybook. Don't miss the iconic Kapellbrücke, a 14th century wooden bridge that's a true masterpiece. And oh, did we mention the stunning views of Lake Lucerne and the surrounding mountains? This place is a photographer's paradise. Number 3. Zermatt. Home of the Matterhorn. Peak adventures and alpine charm. Get your hiking boots on because we're heading to Zermatt. This alpine village is famous for being the gateway to the legendary Matterhorn mountain. Whether you're into skiing, hiking, or just soaking in the mountain vibes, Zermatt has it all. Imagine sipping hot chocolate while gazing at the Matterhorn. Now that's a memory you won't forget. Number 4. Interlaken. Adrenaline and scenic bliss. Thrills and chills in paradise. Hold on to your hats, adrenaline junkies, because we're landing in Interlaken. This adventure capital is nestled between two stunning lakes and surrounded by towering peaks. From skydiving and paragliding to bungee jumping and snowboarding, Interlaken is the ultimate playground for thrill seekers. And if heart-pounding activities aren't your thing, no worries, the serene beauty of this place is just as captivating. Number 5. Geneva. Where culture meets nature. Lakefront elegance and global vibes. Time to add a touch of sophistication to our Swiss journey with a visit to Geneva. This cosmopolitan city is famous for its international organizations, but that's not all it has to offer. Stroll along the shores of Lake Geneva, marvel at the Jet d'eau fountain, and explore the charming old town. Geneva seamlessly combines cultural richness with the beauty of nature, truly a unique experience. Number 6. Bern. A stroll through time. Medieval wonders and architectural delights. Step back in time as we wander the medieval streets of Bern. The capital city of Switzerland, Bern, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site brimming with historical wonders. The Zitglogge Clock Tower, the Federal Palace, and the Bear Park are just a few of the gems waiting to be discovered. Get ready to be transported to a world of architectural marvels and old-world charm. Number 7. Jungfrau region. Nature's masterpiece. Majestic peaks and alpine serenity. Hold on to your hats, nature lovers, because the Jungfrau region is about to blow your mind. Home to the famous Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, this region offers unparalleled views of the Swiss Alps. Hop on the cogwheel train and journey to the highest railway station in Europe. Snow-capped peaks, crystal clear air, and a sense of serenity. This is a slice of heaven on earth. Number 8. Lausanne. A lakeside elegance. Lakeside charms and cultural treasures. Let's take a leisurely stroll by the shores of Lake Geneva to the city of Lausanne. This vibrant city offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural riches. Explore the Olympic Museum, roam the historic streets, and enjoy the stunning views of the lake and mountains. Lausanne's relaxed vibe and elegant charm make it a must-visit destination in Switzerland. Number 9. Montreux. Jazz, chateau, and more. Musical vibes and Riviera glamour. Time to soak in some musical vibes at the Montreux Jazz Festival. Nestled along the shores of Lake Geneva, Montreux is famous for its musical heritage and stunning chateau. Take a leisurely stroll along the lakeside promenade, visit the iconic Chillon Castle, and lose yourself in the rhythms of jazz. Montreux effortlessly combines glamour, culture, and natural beauty. Number 10. Ticino. A Mediterranean escape. Lakeside serenity and Italian flair. Wait, did we just step into Switzerland's very own slice of the Mediterranean? Welcome to Ticino. Oh, with its palm-lined promenades, charming villages, and turquoise lakes, Ticino feels like a Mediterranean dream come true. Explore the quaint town of Lugano, take a dip in Lake Maggiore, and savor the blend of Swiss precision and Italian flair. Number 11. Swiss cuisine. A gastronomic adventure. Fondue, chocolate, and alpine delights. Alright, time to satisfy those taste buds with a little culinary adventure. Swiss cuisine is a delicious blend of flavors and traditions. Dive into a pot of creamy cheese fondue, indulge in Swiss chocolate like a true connoisseur, and don't forget to try raclette and rosti. Eating your way through Switzerland is a journey in itself. Summary. Exploring the most beautiful places in Switzerland. There you have it, fellow travelers, a whirlwind tour of the most beautiful places to visit in Switzerland. From the majestic Swiss Alps to the charming cities and serene lakes, Switzerland offers a breathtaking range of experiences for every kind of adventurer. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping activities, cultural richness, or simply stunning landscapes, Switzerland has got it all. So, pack your bags, or at least your imagination, and get ready for the Swiss adventure of a lifetime. Until next time, keep exploring and keep dreaming.